Niagara Falls Winter Festival of Lights, 2023. A world of spectacular lights. As winter's chill embraces Niagara Falls, the city sparkles to life with the Winter Festival of Lights from November 18th to January 7th. Join us for a magical journey through a luminous paradise where over 3 million lights dance across the city's frosty nightscape. Gather your loved ones and wander through a kaleidoscope of color. Feel the warmth of hot chocolate as you explore the wonders of this twinkling trail. Each turn brings a new delight with 75+ spectacular light displays, from whimsical to breathtaking, that tell tales of the season. Prefer a cozy tour? Drive through the enchanting route where stories of light unfold from the comfort of your car. Or witness the spectacle from above with hotel and restaurant views that turn dinner dates into fairy tales. The heart of the festival is the falls themselves, shining bright with colors that cascade and blend with the night sky. This isn't just a festival of lights. It's a canvas for your winter story, a place to make memories that glow as brightly as the lights around you. So come, immerse yourself in the brilliance, the joy, the community. Let the Niagara Falls Winter Festival of Lights illuminate your spirit.